If you want to add a widget to the home screen on POCO F7 Pro, what you need to do is you need to press and hold your finger on an empty space in the home screen, and then you can go to Widgets. Over here you will find some example widgets that you can use. However, if you're looking for app widgets, then we need to go to Android widgets over here. Now here we have the list of apps and all widgets that have been made by these apps that we can use. So for example, I'm just gonna use something, let's say, I don't know, like this Google News widget. So what I can do is I can simply tap on the widget in order to immediately add it, as you can see over here. And also another way to do so, to add a widget, I can press and hold my finger on the widget, and then I can drag and drop it anywhere. I can also move it to the left and right on the side in order to go to the next page or the previous page, and then we can press done in the top right corner. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!